YouTube, with X, it's your boy Joey P. How the heck are you? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we got an exciting package in the mail from the man himself. There you go, thank you. Many of his products caught a feature on this channel. I'm sure many of you know who he is. He's a big inspiration to me, and I'm sure a lot of others on why they started YouTube or why they started photography. It is none other than Peter McKinnon. We've got this package here from his recent Pete's Pirate Life drop. I mean, this thing got here quick too. I ordered this, I think, on Saturday. It's Wednesday when I'm recording this, and it's already here, so it's pretty good turnaround time if I have to say so myself. If you do not know, Pete's Pirate Life is like his separate side thing. It's not really attached to his main channel. He does a lot of cool stuff on there though. There's like knives, glasses. I ordered like that sign. I still gotta get that hung up. We're not gonna talk about that. Most of which are pretty expensive, so I try and hold off on ordering a lot from there, but this one was pretty hard to pass up, so let's go ahead and start unpackaging this. Go ahead and get you that nice ASMR. That was not nearly as satisfying as I thought it would be. My bad.
That's what she said.
Oh, my favorite. There we go. Pete's Pirate Life stickers. Love those. Oh, there's your sound. You guys will enjoy that one. There's your sound right there. Ooh. That was the good one. 3, 2, 1, bam. Pete's Pirate Life beanie, very useful. We are in the dead of winter right now and it's freezing outside, so what better way to protect my skull than Pete's Pirate Life with his own skull? Initial thoughts, this thing it's a nice material. I don't know what this is. It's kind of like a fleece, but it's not like smooth like a fleece. It's got some texture to it. You know, you see this forehead? This thing can't be out in public all the time. That's why I wear hats a lot. I mean, you can't be walking around with this. People give you looks. Ooh. Nice thing is you can wear it this way, or if you flip it down, wear it all the way out. The Pete's Pirate Life logo, reversible. Either way, still works. It's genius right there. It's good marketing. Now, I've got a pretty big skull. I mean, everyone knows this by now. It fits well. It fits me actually like perfect. It's not like super tight or anything either, so if you have a smaller head, you might have a little bit of room, but honestly it fits about as well as it could for a nice beanie. If you guys enjoyed this longer form kind of unboxing instead of those quick like 60-second ones I've been doing on shorts, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. My purchasing's been pretty slim lately. I really haven't like bought anything, so you're not missing out on anything. The only thing I put up is the iPad, and when I got my iPhone, that was a while ago, so nothing recent. As for the beanie or scully, whatever you call them, I don't have a lot more to say. The short review kind of does it justice. It's comfortable, it fits well. It's soft. I mean, that's about it. That's about all I got to describe it. What really more can you ask for? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't for more wonderful content. Hope you have a fantastic day. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.